Watch that line, bud. Straight over there, look. Oh, I'm way over hopping, shit. I put too much on. Hey? Yeah? Crack on.
It's on that side, so get the other engine. We've got this one. We've got it.
Cool.
Now. I'm assuming we've got the helicopter.
Should we cross over?
Somebody get this.
I don't know, we might.
Hello, I see ya.
Okay.
Fucking hell. Careful, they just shot. Okay, mate. Cheers.
Should we wait for more people to start?
It's yours. Should we get it? Yeah?
Do you want to get it?
Yeah? Watch right.
That was very casual, that was, wasn't it?
That was lovely, wasn't it?
No rushing.
Sometimes that's all you need.
Over there.
Yeah?
Take it off the mag and now onto it. Now see if it's as soon as
You see him?
Yeah. If that's the same guy you're looking at, then. He's way too far.
Yeah, the guy's on the right.
Oh, come on. Too much hop. Yeah, I got him. Oh, and the head. Yeah, got them both. Is he green? Yeah. Ooh. Watch out, boys. Stay low. They got two looking this way behind the barriers at the back. 3 now.
Good call out, thank you.
Are you right? Well done, boys. There we go, that's a fucking dead flat. There's one. Oh, what a shot. Pulling that close, mate.
bang bang.
I don't think I've got anyone, but what, that container?
Yeah, he's about to be.
There he is. Did you get him? Watch out.
Jesus Christ. They're like on the other side of this container.
No, you don't fit, Roy.
Go, grenade.
Just gotta hold them off for 5 minutes. I got him. Oh, you did. We both did. Well done. Yeah, he pushed into that container. Yeah. Nice one.
No, I think it was both of us.
I think we got him with
both just
about.
keep hitting him.
We hit him with about 5 bullets, didn't we?